Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mathilda. Well, today this is the look I'll be creating for you guys. I hope you like it, and if you do, then please keep on watching, and if at the end you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Let's get into this video. Happy Valentine's Day, guys. Well, today I'm going to start out with that shade right there, and I'm going to draw out a line to know where I want to cut the crease. After drawing out the line, I'm going to use that same shade and also pack it on the line. If you're struggling with cutting your crease, I have a cut crease tutorial which you guys can learn from, and also this is an easy way you can use to map out the shape you want. After that, I'm going to use this shade right here and blend out the edges so we won't have any harsh lines. Guys, excuse my voice, I have a cold and I just needed to upload this video for you guys so you guys can learn something. I'm going to use that shade and I'm going to pack it on the first half of my lid. I love this shade. This is a foily type of shade and it is so beautiful. I'm going to use that shade and also pack it on the second half of my eyes. The formula is very wet, so that is why I'm using my fingers to apply it. Now I'm just gonna do my face routine, which you guys already know. I have a video on my detailed foundation routine, so I'm gonna leave a card here so you guys can watch and enjoy. Happy Valentine's Day in advance. If you're watching it, happy Valentine's Day. If you're watching it on Valentine's Day. Okay guys, let me leave you guys to enjoy the video. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. You can also check out my other videos and also follow me on my social media: Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all Mathildaduku. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.